Ja, så er frikvarteret slutter. I må godt pakke jeres mobiler væk. I skal slå op på side 19. Det er læsebogen. Og så skal I bare begynde at læse.
I'm moving, loving every beat that's played. Suddenly I'm out of place, distracted by an unfamiliar face. You say, come on over, let me take control.
Ja, det er mig, Morten. Jeg skal starte til det tryk, der er. Hvad laver I her? Hvor mange gange har I fået at vide, at I ikke må være her?
I skal være sød.
Er I for dumme til at fatte det her, eller hvad? Det er da helt urimeligt. Jeg skal sgu da ikke bruge mere tid på at rende her og fortælle dig, at du ikke skal være her, vel? Det er absolut sidste gang. Næste gang, der ringer jeg hjem til din mor. Ja.
Now the shit's about to kick off, this party looks whack. Let's take it back to straight hip-hop and start it from scratch. I'm about to bloody this check up, everybody get back. That's why my pen needs a pad, cause my rhyme's on the red tag.
Hej. Du har det rigtig dårligt. Men så skal du ikke være her. Så få ring til din mor.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Holy shit.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge my milkshake.
Boys in the boom is top on AC with a cool system. When you come in the club, he blazing up. Got sex on them like saving up. And the air, he run, he might gonna do, he might bounce, right on the bed, he go.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break.
Cecilie, nu slår du på Cecilie.
Du skal ikke stå på Cecilie.
Og så rejste prinsessen sig op og suttede videre.